yo, what you saying, what you saying, what you saying? It's Misha and Trisha Carras, 2022, coming at you with some brand fucking, you know what I'm saying?
My name's Misha and this is my mom, Trisha Carras. We are back for Yummy I Saying, and today we're doing a challenge I've seen in business.
We are back!
No filters on the faces. Misha,
Back!
properly.
No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. See, I
No, do that again now. Yeah, but do it again now.
Okay. We are back! Yeah!
You an idiot.
I'm going to put both of them in as well. Right, so as you can see today, it's nearly Halloween, so I'm embracing my inner Michael Jackson. Who are you? Come on. Do you know what you look like?
Shaka
Come on. You do. Shaka, come on.
It's because of the
I'm meant to be looking like a zombie.
Want to dance, yeah? With somebody.
That's not the song.
Want to feel the heat?
That's
What's the song?
That's Whitney.
Yeah, what is it
You don't even know Shaka song.
Yeah, I know. What
I'm every woman. It's all in me. And the thing you want to know, baby, we do it naturally. Right, anyway, that's the video. So, as I said in the intro, we're doing another challenge, and we are back with the bugs. I know we said we was going to do it sooner, but we haven't because we're busy. So yeah, so as you know, we've still got the tarantula, the mixed bugs, and the jungle trial mix, and we have got the bamboo vodka with the little worm inside, but we're not doing that.
Not yet.
Because I can't drink yet. Still. So we're gonna.
Oh, excuse me.
Dirty right. Right, so
Put it on there. Put it on there though.
I'm good. Can you finish? You're just doing right, so in the red we've got tarantula, blue's mixed bugs, in yellow is the jungle mix. So I'm gonna press the little thing. Let's see where it stops. I knew it.
What is it?
Fuck. No. Jungle mix. Fuck's sake.
Oh, I don't mind. I don't know.
I'm gonna be sick like that. My look, this is all I can find, so I'm gonna bowl. Fuck's sake. So in this we have a diving beetle, a giant water scorpion, and an Asian forest scorpion. Fuck's sake.
Just wouldn't bring in napkins. Put them on. Just put them on here.
Yeah, I would do.
Take that. Them receipts off there.
Okay. It's the iPad case. Oh wait, let me show you. Let's do a little zoom in on that. I know what to expect now, so I'm not shaking as much as I was last time.
Drop all that napkins. I'll put it on there.
Alright.
I've been using that recently. It's making me feel vomited.
Okay, then. I'll leave that there then until you come back. A few moments later. Anytime to be great.
Come here. You can all stop that moving.
You get some foil. Get some file. File. I should bring the plate. That's a bowl actually, yeah. Put it on, rest it on here then. I need to clean this case.
You absolutely deserve it.
Right.
That's why I didn't
Right.
fancy it.
Oh, look here.
Oh my god, look how big that fucking show you the.
Look how big that fucker
Misha,
is.
I'm not eating all of them. I might not eat all of it. Come on, open it!
No, wait, let me show you. Don't rush
Oh
me.
my goodness.
No.
Just put it on this plate. That was oh my god. Misha, what the?
I think I'm calling it
The legs running. The legs running.
No, alright. Lani, they didn't give you us one.
Misha.
Not a chance. And lie yourself. Lie. Not a fucking chance.
Look, what's it?
So that is a giant water scorpion. Turn it round so they can see the top bit as well. I'll do a little zoom in on that for him. There's a scorpion again. Look, turn it round so they can see the top of it. Right, look at all these. Wait. My God. Look. What the fuck are they?
What does it say? Okay, let's try it. Well, let's go. Let's do it.
Wait.
That's
That's a diving beetle. These are.
Okay. Right, so.
Look at the legs.
Okay, right, Misha, here we go. Are we ready?
No, listen.
Right,
I don't like your mold.
Okay, look.
gonna be so sick.
Wait. How was that?
What's that? Is that a scorpion claw? Go on then, chew. Chew it. Chew it. You bitch, you! What are you gripping me that for?
Go on.
You done it?
Yeah.
What do you mean gone then?
What you want to?
I just told
You gotta have this. Have some of that.
Not a chance.
Misha, come on.
Not a fucking. Look at the spikes on the legs! Nah, bro.
Okay. What's this one? What's this one? I've got
That's soft. Listen, listen.
Yeah.
It's hard, but.
The fuck is getting deep. Right. Okay. What's this?
It's like what?
This.
That's a giant water scorpion. Look at the spikes.
Blimey.
Wait.
Right. I'm gonna look like that's.
Can I just wait? Let me show you the leg.
Yeah,
Look at the leg. Lord of God.
Why is that so?
It's soft.
It's like-
Why are you
I've got to do it, Misha. We're gonna do it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna be brave. Yeah. That's too leafy.
You gotta do it. You said we're gonna be brave.
It's too leafy, Mish.
Yeah, look. It is actually as well. Look.
Yeah, it's too leafy. That's like a moth in your gob. That's not good. Yeah. Right. It's just not gonna eat you. Right. I just took a leg off because that's too disgusting to even contemplate.
It's actually trying to taste it like it's food, though, you know.
It's not chewable, Mish. Right, so I'm gonna try.
Put my
What's
hook in his
it?
mouth. Dare ya.
What is it?
Diving beetle. Dare ya.
What do you mean a dive? What the?
A beetle that dives. That's what I'm saying. Called diving beetle.
Why did it just dive right out of it?
Go on, chew it. All of it, Mum. Go on.
Right.
Go on, I'm sorry. Sorry. Go on, Mum. Go on, then. Go on, Mum. Go on. Wait, stop. Mum, you spat it.
Sorry. That tastes like shit. Taste it.
You just spat in it.
No, it didn't. That's water.
That's not water. That's just dirty.
Now, it's your turn, Misha.
Wait.
You think that you're a fool. Hurry up.
That like a ting.
Okay.
Where's the other one gone? Where's the one in his head?
It's-
Wait, I'll break it off.
Hurry up.
Why are you not eating it?
What?
The diamond beetle.
I did.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, I'll try another one, yeah?
Oh, fucking look at that. It's got fucking hairs on it.
Wait.
You made me do scorpion last time. Do you know what? I'm gonna go for the
No,
body of the
no,
scorpion
no,
this time.
Come on then. All of it.
Why is he fucking mad? Right, ready? All of that, look.
Yeah, and don't sit, just eat it.
You can't tell me not to be sick, because if it was in my mouth, I'm gonna be sick.
Misha, I know, but
Go on, you eat the head then. Go on. All of that, show your people. Come on then.
where?
All of it, go on. No, all of it, go on, chew.
That.
Chew. That scorpion. That's a dirty scorpion.
Stop doing that!
We just spat it on the table.
Oh my goodness.
Leave
Right,
that
that's
there.
your turn now.
Right, okay. Wait, why have I forgot your bit? Right, here we go then. 3, 2, 17. And stop it!
Just eat it, Misha. I've got to do all over the table, kid.
I can taste it already. I can taste it already. Right, you're good, yeah? This is Halloween, Ah.
Just eat it, Misha, come on. I feel like this is sick.
Really hard.
I Absolutely. Look, you can see, look, I'm sweating and this ain't menopause.
Wait, hold on.
Honest to God.
I'm going to try this, yeah? Shall I try a leg foot?
Look.
Mum, it's got spikes on the leg.
Yeah.
Can you see them?
Me so.
Shall I do it? Shall I just break some on the leg?
You gotta eat something because it's not fair. You better
Yeah,
eat it.
okay, look.
Okay.
This is the leg of the giant of a thing. Oh, it tastes like that.
You're so at the top, man.
That tastes like green tea.
It should be alright then.
Wait, no, but don't wait.
I'm just gonna show what everything that
No, wait, no, because I've got to.
No, because you keep me saying.
No, I'm gonna do this. You said this tastes like shit, though.
It just tastes like. Misha, it's a fucking beetle.
Oh my lord! Wow! I need to see what's in it. I can't just put it in my mouth.
It's taking far too long, dude.
The body of a diving beetle. This is.
God, you're disgusting.
That is nasty, fam.
So, we've got lots more of these to do, yeah?
I ain't doing it. I ain't doing this.
These are look, I don't even know what to say, right? It's not that it's just what it is, we can't do it. Okay? So, we've got these.
So you got to say what you want to see us do next.
Yeah. Let's
We're all
go.
gonna
What
choose.
is? What is escargot? Where it is? We've got this escargot, yeah? Don't choose that, please.
So we've got snails, tins.
We've got to eat as many of these as you say that we have to. These are
They're the ghost peppers that we did before.
we're gonna eat one of these each, if you say that. Drink the vodka with the worm in it. Eat as many as these.
Cup noodle. You can sponsor us. Yeah.
Eat as many as these if you want us
can.
to. And we're gonna get the century heads. We'll eat 3 of them each if you want us to.
Not a chance. Not a chance for eating food.
And we're gonna, if you didn't mind, we will do the 1 chip challenge.
Oh yeah, we will do the 1 chip challenge. And I've already said we will be bringing back to the streaming. So, in the comments, obviously don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell. And
Please let us have an eating challenge.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
And we'll eat as much as we can, I promise.
what of it? This eating nice, you're doing it up.
No, something nice, Misha.
So you can choose between all of these, or you
what
can
you
choose
want.
something else.
Yeah.
Someone did say do a gallon of milk, but Mum can't do like a bowl of milk, so she's.
I've got to have a bit of milk and tea.
But yeah, and we'll try our best, and better.
You
Still, obviously we do all our challenges together, but you can also write who you want to see eat the most of that particular item. So say if you see Sir Strowman, and you say, I want
Misha.
Trisha Caress
Misha.
to eat the most, then that's what will happen. Remember in the last Sir Strowman challenge, she didn't even try it, so Trisha Caress for Sir Strowman, majority. But yeah, so just like, comment, subscribe, write in the comment section what you want to see us do, or drop us an email.
And please, no more spiders.
We're gonna be. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all our things here, over here. No. And then yeah. So without further ado, we're gonna say. Oh wait! Also, those in the UK or wherever, don't forget to tune in to see us on ITV's brand new show, Ridiculous, on Tuesday the 8th of November at 3 PM English time.
Sorry.
I'm
Sorry.
Yeah, just sit back. So yeah, and if you want to, so you can watch us in the UK. If you haven't got that, then obviously download the ITV Hub or whatever it is, I don't know. But either way, yeah. Then also listen out for our new song, Unspoken Love, written by Trisha Caress, co-written by Misha, sang by Connie Rianne. So keep your ears out for that. Obviously, I'll be posting about it. So yeah, keep your eyes and ears to the ground, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and all without further ado, we're gonna turn. See ya, bye!
Them jealous, jealous. Jealous, jealous. Them jealous. Fancy. My name is Pashi. I strictly black you see. The cream is my skin and make it shiny. You cannot what? Stop me. Not stop, but she's not actually either. I'm a mom, a half of me work with me daughter. Black beauty, that is we. Go to the website and see. Oh, you've seen, but you ain't showing love. Jealous, jealous.
I love you,